yung mga ginamit ko ng is kaparehas po ba?
Oh yes. Kailangan po, the medium is the same, the canvas, the same size. And as you can see in our background, pare-parehas yung sizes ng canvas and the mediums. Even the paint materials the same. Meron ding brush na binili but they are allowed to bring their own brush din na pwede nilang gamitin to this competition.
Ilang oras po sila?
Okay, this activity will started at 9 o'clock and it will be finished before I think 4 p.m. so that we give time for the judges. And hopefully announcement will be made of the winners by 5 p.m.
So, bali po 2 hours silang mag-meeting or
Oh, the whole day,
The whole
hanggang
day?
hapon. Yes.
Hanggang hapon.
Yes. Eh, kung gusto nila kumakain, nagpipaint, pwede rin naman yan. Okay? So, habang kumakain na nagpipaint, pwede. Of course, alam niyo naman na we cannot rush art. Art, we cannot really rush art. It takes time to make an art. Kaya mamahal yan. Some months to make. Kasi ito naman medyo we are limited sa duration lang. We are allotted this day to conduct this.
May achievement po ba kayo sasabihin about the art? For the competition?
Well, let us all be inspired by the aspiring talents, and we hope this competition will bring out the creativity and they will learn something from it. It's a stepping stone towards their career as an artist. They can still join next year kung gusto nila, basta within the age range lang. So every year naman we are developing, we are inviting
Sir,
talent.
punta na kami.
Marami tayong artist. Marami. Kaya we hope na one day these contestants will find their way to the top as being a stock artist professional.
Ay, additional question po po. Ilan taon po yung pinakabata na sumali po?
I'm not sure because basta grade 11 and 12. I'm sure there are grade 11 naman na baka mga mas matanda. Basically, yung age ng grade 11, ganyan, pinakamabata. Kung meron mga matanda na grade 11, because we did not limit the age. Basta as long as this grade 11 is within the range of the school grade.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Sir, what could be the positive effect of this art contest to the audience?
Possible
Effect po.
to the audience. Will be inspired by their artwork. It's an inspiration and well to appreciate more art. Diba sinabi nila, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. Lahat tayong mga audience na nakatingin, kanya-kanyang beauty rin. Kung tingin natin doon, maganda yung iba, hindi. Ano, we learn to appreciate beauty in art. And I think that is in our sa buhay natin. Everything you see around is an art and we should learn to appreciate beauty.